Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. How you guys doing? I hope you're having a good Friday. We're wrapping up this week here with a few videos. We're still doing great, guys. I know this is in a bear market. You're waking up, the market's going down. Let me show you guys some signs of why I just think you guys need to stay hopeful in the market. We're going to go over blockchain metrics here and a bunch of other things to give you guys a weekend update and what we can predict for the weekend. Guys, I'll show you how right when all of the retail traders got excited here, whales and institutions shorted this, and you could have seen this with our metrics. And I don't know, we don't short on this channel, but if you happen to short, guys, that was an incredible amount of money you made there. We are currently sitting at 93 for 93 wins. We've never lost a trade on this channel, ever. And we started in March of this year. This is because of the risk management, the indicators we use, as well as the metrics. I'll show you guys how we're using these, and I'll show you how we're predicting these tops and drops in here, and it is pretty incredible. Once you guys see this, you'll understand why we haven't lost yet. I'll show you guys in the second half of this video how to get into the Telegram channel and take all of our trades so you can trade with us. Right now, I want to get over into the analysis. Let's start at this. Can we just get a broader picture this morning of where we're currently at in Dogecoin? I know a lot of you guys this morning are waking up and you're like, oh my gosh, the crypto market is still going down. What is happening here? All right, let me give some perspective here, guys. This is where we are at a high for Dogecoin. All right, this is where we're currently at. What should everybody be doing right now? They should be buying this dip. Guys, we have, I'll show you exactly what it is, because I don't want to say I'm doing this and I'm not showing you. I have 42%. I have roughly $42,000 in buy limits right now, ready to buy this dip if we head down any further. I had a guy email me yesterday. He's like, Travis, I totally understand what you're saying. It makes sense. We need to set up in case we see another big drop in the crypto market. I'm like, yes, I've been trying to tell everybody that. And I'm like, good job, man. He emailed me, and I'm pretty sure if I'm quoting this correctly, he said he's in 47% cash. And I'm at 41. Yes, that is what you guys want to be doing. You want to be in more cash right now because we could start moving down further. Ethereum has already dropped down pretty far this morning. And if you guys take a look at BTC here, I'll do a Bitcoin video later. This was the structure we needed to stay above. And we are literally right at this support line right here where we need to stay above this level or else we're going to start crashing back down. The only other saving grace for Bitcoin right now is at $43,000. That needs to see a bounce here or this thing's going to go down quite a bit further. So I hope you guys have some buy limits set up and you have some cash in your exchange to buy this dip. If not, you may want to look to sell some of your positions you're in to get into cash to bring buy limits in a little bit lower. Okay, let's go over Dogecoin. I want to talk about the metrics here. What we saw here was a push up straight into the red top here for the trend exhaustion. You guys must get these indicators on your charts. You want to predict the tops and the bottoms of the market. Here you guys go. Right when the market got really bullish here because Elon Musk did a tweet, I came out and told you guys this. I said, if you guys take exits here, that's going to be great because this is an emotional pump and it's going to head straight back down. These indicators call the tops and bottoms. This is what happened. The market moved down. The market moved straight back down, okay? Previous time before that, we were actually able to call the drop in crypto over here because the trend exhaustion was in the top red section and the price as well money flow was in the top red section. Where was this? Right around these candles. It doesn't matter if it's keep going down because these are so high here. This is literally linked to on-chain metrics and blockchain metrics to show you guys literal buys and sells coming into the blockchain for Binance on this coin. Whatever ticker you guys put this on. You guys can even put this on the VUG, which I'll show you that to you guys in a second. These are the two most accurate because they actually use trade transactions on the blockchain to give you guys accuracy of when whales are buying and when they're due to sell. We are calling the tops and bottoms with these two. It is pretty ridiculous. So with that said, what are we seeing right now? We're seeing a push down into close to the bottom red section. Well, money flow is heading down here as well. This is why I don't know if this drop is going to last terribly long. It may come down to structural support, but we might actually see somewhat of a bullish weekend because we are heading down so much on Friday today. Okay, look at some of these coins down here. This is down. DOT is down 6%. We have Ethereum down 5%. Bitcoin is down 3.76. These markets are heading down, but we're getting close to the bottom trend exhaustion. When here we saw this move back up. Take a look at the previous time. We saw a move down the bottom red section. What happened? We saw a pump back up, and we actually created a little bit of an uptrend. Previous time before that, we headed down here, and we did see a little bit of a move back up. Starting to see this happen in the market. And guys, this is in a downtrend. In a downtrend, this is literally calling the bottoms, and then we're seeing moves back up. So that's why I want you guys to watch this. This could actually get a little bit bullish. So if you have some extra money today you want to throw in the market, I've got $40,000+ waiting to buy this dip. This might not be a bad time to pick up more crypto. Guys, there's going to come a time where Bitcoin is going to come back up and it's going to break all-time highs. It's going to happen, guys. Unless you're part of the party who thinks crypto is just going to go away into oblivion and disappear, then you won't believe this. I'm not part of that party. I believe we are going to go in the history of Bitcoin far higher than $70,000. So all you guys need to do is get into these lower positions and do one thing: be patient. If you're patient, guys, when Bitcoin goes back up and breaks these all-time highs, I have no doubt that Dogecoin is going to come up and break this structure up here, and we're going to be back above 35 cents. What's the percentage gain on that, though? If you come over here and look at this, I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit longer here, but if you come up here, that's 114% you guys can make on your money right now. You guys should not be freaked out. You should not be scared. You should be buying. I'm not your financial advisor, but please understand, I'm excited about this, and I have $40,000 ready to go to pick up these buy limits, and I hope you guys have something in the market too. Okay, I'm going to fly through the metrics here, and I'm going to show you guys how to trade with us and how to get to our next trades, because we haven't been losing any trades, and it's going to be a blast going into the end of this month and in 2022. Okay, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the metric's going to update. We're sitting in the excited area. Great, we sat into the excited area. The market started pushing up. What means when we're in the excited area? Retail traders are getting excited, looking to buy the pump. Wells and institutions are going to short you guys out. I'll prove that to you. Long for short trades in the market on Dogecoin. Long trades completely moved out of the market, not giving us a strong sign that we're going to head up. What ended up happening? We ended up seeing a crash back down in the market. Guys, follow these metrics. They're going to help you guys understand where the money's flowing, okay? Long for short trade risk. Where's the favor? The favor was on short trades up here. Good short trade. Again, we don't take short trades on this channel. Everyone who took a short trade right here, you guys made a ridiculous amount of money. Want me to prove to you guys it was a great place? Well, look at what Wells and Institutions did. When you guys were over here coming out and you were buying this thing thinking it was going to go to the moon, and a lot of you guys ended up losing the money you made because you didn't exit. I told the people in our group up here, if you guys are watching this video, a lot of our traders got picked up on buy limits down here. Okay, I'm still managing this buy limit up here because this is where we were in before when we record this video. But a lot of our traders who had new money got picked up here, and they were able to actually exit because they know how to use our indicators. When you get into a trade and you see the trend exhaustion close in the top red section and you see the well money flow high, this is like quote unquote guaranteed to go down. So we had a lot of people on our channel actually end up exiting in the profit over here because they got in around these levels and they were able to exit on the candle close. It was about 30% profit that they made, because the indicators were able to help protect their money. I know also some people who got greedy and they said we're going to go to the moon, and they lost all their trades and they're back down where they're at, maybe in the loss here. This is why we're protecting the traders that trade with us, because I'm teaching you guys how to use these and not be greedy anymore and take profit when you're up, okay? That's what I'm going to teach you guys on this channel. Plus, if you came over here and you saw this in the market, short trades drastically increased, which put tons of pressure on Dogecoin moving back down. You guys want insider trading? Here you guys go. Like legal insider trading? Here's what Wells and Institutions are doing. If you guys are fumbling into this when you guys see that they're shorting in here, don't do it. Like all they've been doing is acquiring long trades, and then one day they come out to short. Guys, it's not going to go up, okay? So you need to watch this. Literally, this metric here you get for all of our coins with our membership. It's $49 a month. I'll go into that in a second. It is the cheapest thing you guys can get to help give you guys ridiculous confidence in trading. Kind of like behind the doors, if you will, of what's going on in crypto with these indicators and metrics. Dogecoin, where's the support? It's at 15 cents. Where's the resistance? 22 cents. Where could we be heading down? Well, we first got to break the structure low here at about 15 cents, and if we break 15, we're going down to about 12 cents. Really need to stay above 15 cents, guys. If we break below 15, the visual structure is just simply to head down to wick value low, which is down here at 12.5. That is not going to be a good sign. But again, buy the dip. Just buy the dip. If you guys have money in the market and you have money to buy the dip, you are set up and you are totally fine. Do not worry about this. You should be throwing a party on Friday because you're buying the dip. I'm serious. Let me just talk about that for a second. You guys literally on Friday should be throwing a party. And here's how to check if you guys are trading profitably and if you guys are trading with smart money and you guys are going to be, if you want to trade for a living, you must have these emotions. If you are not jacked today and you are not excited that the market is dipping to buy, that means you guys have either gotten into positions wrong in the past, and don't blame yourself for that. Don't do that shaming thing. Don't do that. Let me help you get on the right side of the market. We are only down, 4%? We're down about 5% today because break even is 101. 5% in the market. I am so excited for this market to go down because I have 40 grand in here that's going to pick up low prices, and I know for a fact Bitcoin is not going to dissolve and go to zero. I know this is going to come back up here and break all-time highs again. I know it. Like, there's too much demand in the global markets, and we don't even have a global adoption yet with baby boomers because they put all their money in, the retirement. And I'm actually working with people right now. I just talked to a guy today I'm going to be partnering with that has a $7 billion fund that we're going to teach these guys that are retiring how to put their money in crypto and start allocating money over there. There's a huge market, guys, that's not in crypto yet. You should be buying this dip and not getting scared. Today should be a time where you throw a party and get more money into the market, okay? That's how you know you're trading on the right side and you're with the right people and you're following the right clan or the tribe, if you will, of traders, okay? This is dollar cost average entries. If you guys are going to hold Dogecoin for 10, 20, 30 years, this is where you guys want to be looking. This will give you guys, honestly, I don't know another metric out there that's better. Maybe the trend exhaustion and price for swap money flow, but literally sticking, if you have $10,000, $1,000 into each green line, literally waking up and being like, okay, I got a green line at 8 a.m., $1,000. Wait, check it every single morning. Got another green line, $1,000. Like, you guys are gonna do so well once this market starts heading back up. Again, time to celebrate, not to fear. Okay, this told us that we're gonna look for a drop, and that's exactly what we got. We saw a drop in the market here. So once we start moving back up here, we're gonna be looking for this metric to show us that we could see a move back down. Okay, here's how you guys trade with me. I know I'm excited. I might be too much for some of you guys. I understand that, and it might just be my personality. I think some of you guys are like, I think I see what you're saying, Travis. I understand now that we need to start changing our emotions. Most of you guys, the reason why you're losing and you haven't been consistent, winning trades, it's because you guys have been emotional and you're following this chart right here. What you simply need to do is switch over and start trading with us because we are trading with these guys. Okay, that literally is what we're doing. We are buying this super hard when it dips and we are selling our long trades when it pops up and we're getting a compound interest. Here's what you guys can do. $49 right now. You guys get access to everything. You get me as a one-on-one coach in Telegram. You get literally a pretty much unlimited coaching over email. Send us any email you guys want and we will help you guys. We're working on hiring more people, so I'm going to be upping this price because a lot of people are taking advantage of the email. Not a problem at all, guys. Don't worry about that. That's fine. Let us know your questions. But literally, you guys are getting access to all the metrics as well as the live trade calls, as well as me as a personal coach in Telegram, and as well as email support. This is going to go up in price, guys. I can't sustain this at $49 because we're growing so rapidly right now. Get this today. That will give you access to all the metrics. And this is where you guys want to set up your long trades because this is where we have won, and because we've taken every single one of these 93 wins over here on this single page. Here's what you guys want to do. And I'm going to show this to you guys for Dogecoin. For Dogecoin, you want to click right here. I won't open the chart today because I want to keep that for our paid subscribers, but that's where you're going to click. Here's how you trade our strategy. If you guys want to just, watch the video, watch this down here. I'll show you guys how to do all of that. But let's quickly go over this for Bitcoin. You guys at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time are going to see this chart update to say 12:17 because it's simply 12:17 today. It's not 12:16. This was yesterday. So when this updates, here's what you guys are going to do. Let's say that everybody gets paid today on Friday and you want to put more money into the market. Click any of our coins that you guys see on the front page over here and follow this system right here. You're going to see 4 yellow lines below the price this morning. There's buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, and buy limit 4. You're simply going to take the cash that you have to trade with this coin and split it into 4 equal portions. Let's say you have $1,000. You guys pick the amount. 250, 250, 250, 250 at each of these levels. Okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits. Keep them where they're at. And then once that first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here for 100% in the exchange. I show you exactly how to do this with sell limits, buy limits, stop losses, market orders in this video. This is literally the best video you guys can watch to learn our strategy, okay? Once you do that and you have your buy limit set up, follow me in the Telegram channel where you guys are going to get all of my updates of how to exit these trades in the profit with the indicators. You guys need to have these to follow me. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link, and that'll give you guys access over here immediately, where I'm using the indicators to call exits on these trades, okay? And I give you guys updates about the YouTube videos over here as well, so you don't have to actually be on YouTube. You can just click those and watch the updates like I'm doing now. The indicators you guys want to get today and over this weekend, this is the deal. You guys are getting 81% off right now. Yes, I'm going to probably do a Christmas special for the last 2 weeks of December, which is probably going to be coming up here pretty soon. Maybe it'll start on Monday, but I'm just letting you guys know, I might drop this down a little bit, and I might drop it to 82, 83%. It's not going to be a huge drop. I just want to be honest about that. Best thing to do right now in this drop right now is just to get these indicators on your chart so you can watch what's happening over the weekend. Those of you guys who are trading here, you guys are going to make far more. Like, here's the deal. I'm going to drop this about $50. The whole bundle pack is going to go down $50. I've told this to you guys like in the last 6-7 videos. I'm going to drop it down a little bit for the next 2 weeks just for a Christmas special because I think that's fun, okay? But here's the deal. You guys need to just get these on your charts. Don't worry about that little $50. If you guys are trading under $5,000, wait for the sale that I have coming out Monday, okay? If you're over $5,000, get these on your charts because you're going to make back that $50 way faster than if you're just going to wait on the sidelines, okay? The price for swell money flow, the trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard are all going to come in this bundle pack. And you're going to get 6 indicators on top of these 3 for a total of 9 indicators for the bundle pack. you're gonna end up getting 58 to 60% off these 3 indicators today, okay? These guys, these are going to stay the same. So if you guys want to just snag these, that's fine. This is the only thing that will go down. But the bundle pack is going to give you 21% more off of these prices than what you pay individually. That's why literally almost everybody just buys the bundle pack, because they're like, if I'm paying this and I just pay a few more bucks, why not just get 6 more indicators? And then they love the idea that instead of paying individually for the price for swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion, they got an extra 21% off. Now, I know I'm going to get this question today, so let me answer it for you guys. If you guys have individually purchased the price for swell, money flow, trend exhaustion, or trend dashboard individually, and you're like, man, I really wish I would have bought the bundle pack, that's fine. Send us an email and I'll have our team send you a PayPal checkout, and I'll just have you guys pay the difference of what you've already paid in individual indicators, and I'll give you guys the bundle pack so you guys get the rest. I'm not this penny pincher over here. If you guys want to just pay the difference, I'll give you the discount on the bundle pack so you don't have to purchase everything. That would just be ridiculous. So if you guys want to hook up on that, just email me today. I'll send you the difference and I'll give you the bundle pack so you guys can have that, so you're not having to pay more for individual indicators. Get that set up today before those prices go up, because I am going to be upping the price of these 3 indicators in the next 2 months, okay? Set those up today, get into the membership, and start celebrating. I want you guys to throw a mini party for yourself for crypto. The market's going down. We need to start celebrating, because this is where we start making very good money, because this is where we put money in the market and we ride this up, okay? Stay excited, start celebrating, and if you guys even have $10 that you can put into the market, anything, obviously we have more than $10 we can put in here that's waiting. But if you have anything, this is a great day to start putting money into the market, guys, because we're dropping so much and we could start seeing it move back up. VUG real quickly, this is basically capturing the whole S&P 500. We're heading down and we broke this support. Where I'm looking for on this metric, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, put on VUG. It's basically the Vanguard Growth Fund that tracks the S&P 500. This correlates to crypto very nicely. If you guys see this drop down to 305, I'm looking for a bounce right back up. So watch that. I'm watching for a bounce back up, which could get very bullish over the weekend. Well, if it's going to get bullish, what should you be doing today? Buying the dip, guys. Buy the dip. All right, guys. God bless you guys so much. I hope you have an absolutely incredible weekend. I take the weekend off to rest and be with my family, go to church, and just enjoy my family. Guys, I don't spend that much time on the charts, but if I see anything big, again, because you guys have the membership, I will keep you guys updated one-on-one over Telegram if I see anything happening over this weekend, to literally have me as a coach. But make sure you guys are getting the indicators. Set those up on your charts today. Those will really help you guys save money and make money in the market. And then make sure you guys are getting the membership that gives you guys access to the insider looks of literally what's happening with Wells and Institutions and Blockchain Metrics. You guys get access to all 12 coins. And then make sure you guys are getting into buy limits and then setting yourself up in the Telegram channel. It's all you guys need to do. If you have any questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com and I'll be right there to help you guys. We're going to try to go 95 for 95 wins before the end of the month is over. And if we hit that, we're going to try to go for 100 for 100. And then in next year, our goal is to hit 200 for 200 winning trades in the year of 2022. All right, guys, I love you so much. Everything you need is in the description. Get everything before they go up in price, because I will be upping those, just full disclosure, so you guys can start making more money with us. All right, have a good one, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.